Tribal justice systems have long been a source of strength and security for Native Americans, providing a unique and effective approach to law and order. In recent years, many tribal justice systems have embraced the concept of restorative justice, an approach that seeks to repair the harm done to victims and the community rather than merely punishing those found guilty of a crime. Restorative justice is based on the idea that people have an inherent responsibility to make right the wrongs they have committed and to restore relationships that have been damaged. Restorative justice typically involves the offender and victim meeting to discuss the crime and how to repair the harm that was done. The victim and offender, along with community members, may then agree on a plan to repair the harm. This plan might include an apology, community service, or other forms of compensation. The goal of restorative justice is to rebuild relationships between the victim, the offender, and the community. Tribal justice systems are well suited to the restorative justice approach, as many Native American tribes have a long history of using communal decision-making and dispute resolution. In addition, traditional tribal justice systems focus on the healing of relationships between individuals and with the community, rather than merely punishing offenders. This emphasis on healing and restoring relationships allows for a more holistic approach to justice. In recent years, many tribal justice systems have embraced restorative justice as an effective way to address crime in their communities. For example, the Confederated Tribes of the Colville Reservation in Washington state have adopted a restorative justice program that focuses on both accountability and healing. The program includes a community circle in which offenders and victims discuss the effects of the crime and how to repair the harm that was done. The circle is facilitated by a community elder who encourages participants to share their stories and feelings. The Colville Restorative Justice Program also includes a traditional tribal healing ceremony, which serves to bring the community together and promote healing. The program has been successful in reducing recidivism rates among offenders and has been praised for its effectiveness in dealing with crime in a respectful and understanding way. Tribal justice systems across the United States are increasingly embracing restorative justice as a way to address crime in their communities. Restorative justice is seen as a more effective way of dealing with crime than traditional justice systems, as it focuses on healing and restoring relationships between individuals and with the community. By utilizing the strengths of the traditional justice systems, many tribal justice systems are finding that restorative justice can be an effective way to address crime and create meaningful change in their communities.